Hi, welcome to Subaru Puyallup. My name is Peter, and today we're going to talk about why you should buy some tires with us here at your stress-free dealership.
I'm not sure if Peter already mentioned this, but a big reason why I bought my Subaru, and I can almost guarantee for you too, is gas mileage. I love the gas mileage, over 20 plus per gallon. Do you want to know how you keep that incredible gas mileage? The factory designed cars for your Subaru. So not only do we want to keep the gas mileage great, the comfort great, in order to get these tires that your vehicle may need, we usually have them in stock or can get them same day as long as 2 business days, but who cares when you get a free loaner vehicle?
Did Samantha mention that you get a road hazard warranty with every purchase of a brand new tire here at your stress-free dealership? It's pretty cool.
Also, convenience and comfort is also what we go for with our new set of tires. These were factory designed for your Subaru. So although there's many benefits on buying factory designed tires for your Subaru, we do get them typically same day. If yours are not in stock, we will provide a free loaner vehicle to you in the meantime. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, or want to know more specifics, just give us a call here at your stress-free dealership.